All right, so this will be a little bit easier video here. We're going to talk about memory and maximum pixels here, okay? So we just talked about different ways to actually like have multiple strips going on the Arduino, right? Okay? So next thing we're going to look at is how many pixels can an Arduino actually store? Like what's the maximum number here, okay? So for that, we're going to bring out our friend the calculator. Okay? Now, first, let's actually look up where it stores NeoPixels in the Arduino, and that is in SRAM. Okay, so let's go to our hardware here in our Arduino website. Okay, let's take a look at the Uno, and okay, oh, that's euros that came down. Okay, let's see if it tells us. Here we go. SRAM 2 kilobytes. Okay, 2 kilobytes of SRAM. What does that even mean? So that's it's a variable memory, basically. Okay, we're just gonna call it as variable memory. So each NeoPixel takes up 24 bits, or sorry, 24 bits, which is 3 bytes. Okay, I'm gonna put this out of the way. So it takes up 1 byte for red, 1 byte for green, 1 byte for blue, and it's gonna store those 3 bytes for however many pixels we have. So right here we have 8 pixels, right? 8 times 3 is 24. So that's 24 bytes of RAM this takes, right? Let's take a look at our website here. So we have 2 kilobytes of RAM, right? So that's quite a lot. Kinda. Kinda. It can go fast. So I'm gonna bring my calculator back out here. Okay. And let's say I have 2,000 kilobytes of SRAM divided by 3. Okay, 3 bytes per NeoPixel. Plus, there's a byte for brightness. There's a couple other bytes it takes up, but let's say it didn't. Let's say it just took up 3 bytes per 666 pixels. Right? I usually don't get over 400 with my programs, but if I were just to have the NeoPixels, like not even broadcast them, not even talk to them, just store them in memory, and it didn't store the brightness, it didn't store anything else, I could store 666 NeoPixels on here, right? Okay. So let's say I actually need to control 667. Like I just need one more pixel. What do I do, right? There's a ton of things to do. First of all, we can look at our code here and we can do the whoops. We can do the strip dot set pin, right? So we can set it up into maybe 100 neopixels per strip and then use 8 pins, right? We'll use the 8 different pins to set it to and then control them all. That's one way to do it, right? But we could also look at different, more beefy boards. Okay, whoops, there we go. Center that back up, cool. Okay, so that's a Uno here, right? Kind of a cool little board. Then we have the Mega. There we go. So Mega's got a little more memory here. 8 kilobytes of SRAM. Cool. All right, let's check that out. What does that mean? So 8,000 divided by 3 is 2,600 neopixels. That's a lot of neopixels, right? Kind of fun to play with. So bigger boards, more memory, more room to play, right? Let's uh let's go look at one more board here on Arduino. Let's look at an SAMD 21, or I think that's a Zero. Is that up here? Okay, shields. Oh, maybe the zeros. Okay, shields. Oh, there it is. Arduino Zero. So it's got the SAMD 21 chip. Sweet little chip there. Very powerful. Yep. At SAMD 21. Cool. And whoa, that's a lot more. It's a lot more memory there. Okay, let's take a look at that. So 32,000 divided by 3 is 10,600 neopixels. That's a lot of neopixels. Okay, so keep that in mind that these Arduinos, they don't just have infinite memory, right? And if you need more pixels, got to go to a different board or strategize with your code. Anyways, hope this was an easier video to digest. Next one will also be pretty easy. We're going to talk about power. Thanks for watching.